We've been renovating houses for 11 years, and we're here to give you a few tricks of the trade for your HVAC system.
Whether you keep your old system during a reno or replace it, there are a couple of simple things you need to do to maintain it. The first is, after a reno, get a full inspection and make sure everything's working properly. The second thing is, get your system checked twice a year before the extreme temperatures come.
In the spring and in the fall, you definitely want to have a maintenance check, because if it's not running the way it should, it cannot work, and that's the worst time of year because all the technicians are going to be super busy fixing everyone else that made the same mistake.
You have to clean your filters, especially after a renovation. There's likely to be a lot of drywall dust in your filter. Check it regularly and keep changing your filter until all the drywall dust is gone.
If you don't have pets, you can probably get away with changing your filter every 90 days. If you do, depending on how many you have, I have 3, so it's a lot of hair, you probably want to change it every 45 to 60 days.